Gurubhyo Namaha. 8th chapter. The Dhyana Slokam is all of us are very, very familiar with. So, but there's a small variation of this Dhyana Slokam here because in Lalita Sahasranamam we have seen is Arunam Karuna Tarangidaksham Dhrutha Pashankusha Pushpabana Chapam. Whereas here Dhrutha Pashankusha Bhana Chapa Hastam. Dhrutha Pashankusha Bhana Chapa Hastam. That is the only difference in the Dhyanam. That one line. Baki it is the same thing. So you can recite with me? Along with me?
Yes.
Okay. Dhyanam Om Arunam Karuna Tarangitakshim Dhruta Pashankusha Bhana Chapa Hastam Animadibhiravrutam Mayukairahamityeva Vibhavaye Bhavani. Om Rushiruvacha.
Om Rishiruvacha. Om Rishiruvacha.
So Chandamunda Vadham got over in the 7th chapter. Now the 8th chapter, Rakta Bija Vadham is going to come. Chande Sanigate Daitye
Chande Sanigate Daitye.
Munde cha vinipatite.
Munde cha vinipatite. Munde cha vinipatite.
Chande cha nihate daitye. Munde cha vinipatite.
Chande cha nihate daitye. Munde cha vinipatite. Chande cha nihate daitye. Munde cha vinipatite.
Bahuleshu cha sainyeshu.
Bahuleshu cha sainyeshu. Bahuleshu cha sainyeshu.
Kshayiteshvasureshvarah.
Kshayiteshvasureshvarah. Kshayiteshvasureshvarah.
Bahuleshu cha sainyeshu. Kshayiteshvasureshvarah.
Bahuleshu cha sainyeshu. Kshayiteshvasureshvarah. Bahuleshu cha sainyeshu. Kshayiteshvasureshvarah.
Kshayiteshvasureshvarah. Chande janihate daitye. Munde cha vinipatite. Bahuleshu cha sainyeshu. Kshayiteshvasureshvarah.
Chande janihate daitye. Munde cha vinipatite. Bahuleshu cha sainyeshu. Kshayiteshvasureshvarah. Chande janihate daitye. Munde cha vinipatite. Bahuleshu cha sainyeshu. Kshayiteshvasureshvarah.
Nishumba, they see Chanda Munda being killed. So what happens there? Anger grows up. Okay. Tatha Kopa Paradina.
Tata Kopa Paradina. Tata Kopa Paradina.
Cheta Shumbha Prajapavan.
Cheta Shumbha Pratapavan. Cheta Shumbha Pratapavan.
Tata Kopa Paradina. Cheta Shumbha Pratapavan.
Tata Kopa Paradina. Cheta Shumbha Pratapavan. Tata Kopa Paradina. Cheta Shumbha Pratapavan.
Udyogam Sarva Sainyanam.
Udyogam Sarva Sainyanam. Udyogam Sarva Sainyanam.
Daityanamādideshah.
Daityanamādideshah. Daityanamādideshah.
Udyogam Sarva Sainyanam. Daityanamādideshah.
Udyogam Sarva Sainyanam. Daityanamādideshah. दैत्यानामादिदेशः
आदिदेशः. That's all. ततकोपपराधीन चेता शुम्भः प्रतापवान् उद्योगं सर्वसैन्यानां दैत्यानामादिदेशः.
ततकोपपराधीन चेता शुम्भः प्रतापवान् उद्योगं सर्वसैन्यानां दैत्यानामादिदेशः. ततः कोपपराधीन
चेता शुम्भः प्रतापवान् उद्योगं सर्वसैन्यानां दैत्यानामादिदेशः. अद्य सर्वबलैर्दैत्या
अद्य सर्वबलैर्दैत्या
no adhya sarvabalairdaith. There is no visargam there, so there is no need to use sandhi there. Okay, the next one has got the visargam, so there you can use it. Adhya sarvabalairdaitya
अद्य सर्वबलैर्दैत्या अद्य सर्वबलैर्दैत्या
षडशीतिरुधायुधाः
षडशीतिरुधायुधाः षडशीतिरुधायुधाः.
No, he calls on certain families. So there are 86 members in Udayuda family, so he calls them first to go as clans. Each clan is going. Okay, that is what. Adya sarvabalairdaitya षडशीतिरुधायुधाः.
अद्य सर्वबलैर्दैत्या षडशीतिरुधायुधाः.
Use the sandhi there. Adya sarvabalairdaitya षडशीतिरुधायुधाः.
अद्य सर्वबलैर्दैत्या षडशीतिरुधायुधाः. अद्य सर्वबलैर्दैत्या षडशीतिरुधायुधाः.
Correct. Correct. Kambunam chaturashitir
कम्बूनां चतुरशीतिर्
Nam chaturashitir Niryantu swabhalairvrutaah.
निर्यान्तु स्वबलैर्वृताः निर्यान्तु स्वबलैर्वृताः.
So first clan is called Udayuda. Second Kambhu is the second one. Okay, second clan is called Kambhu. So he is calling different clans and asking them to go for the fight first. Okay. Kambunam chaturashitir niryantu swabhalairvrutaah.
कम्बूनां चतुरशीतिर् निर्यान्तु स्वबलैर्वृताः. कम्बूनां चतुरशीतिर् निर्यान्तु स्वबलैर्वृताः.
Swabhalairvrataah. Okay. Adya sarvabalairdaitya षडशीतिरुधायुधाः. Kambunam chaturashitir niryantu swabhalairvrataah.
अद्य सर्वबलैर्दैत्या षडशीतिरुधायुधाः. कम्बूनां चतुरशीतिर् निर्यान्तु स्वबलैर्वृताः. अद्य सर्वबलैर्दैत्या षडशीतिरुधायुधाः. कम्बूनां चतुरशीतिर् निर्यान्तु स्वबलैर्वृताः.
Koti viryani panchashat
कोटिवीर्याणि पञ्चाशत् कोटिवीर्याणि पञ्चाशत्.
Asuranam kulani vai.
असुराणां कुलानि वै असुराणां कुलानि वै.
Koti viryani panchashad asuranam kulani vai.
कोटिवीर्याणि पञ्चाशदसुराणां कुलानि वै कोटिवीर्याणि पञ्चाशदसुराणां कुलानि वै.
Shatam kulani dhaumranam
Shatam kulani dhaumranam. Shatam kulani dhaumranam.
nirgachantu mamanyaya
Nirgachantu mamanyaya. Nirgachantu mamanyaya.
shatam kulani dhaumranam nirgachantu mamanyaya.
Shatam kulani dhaumranam. Nirgachantu mamanyaya. Shatam kulani dhaumranam. Nirgachantu mamanyaya.
Koti viryani panchashadasuranam kulani vai shatam kulani dhaumranam nirgachantu mamanyaya.
Koti viryani panchashadasuranam kulani vai shatam kulani dhaumranam nirgachantu mamanyaya. Koti viryani panchashadasuranam kulani vai shatam kulani dhaumranam nirgachantu mamanyaya.
Kalaka daurhruda maurya
Kalaka daurhruda maurya. Kalaka daurhruda maurya.
kalakeyyastatha suraha.
Kalakeyyastatha-suraha. Kalakeyyastatha-suraha.
Now, after Maurya, that Visargam has come. When we say it together, we have to use the Sandhi here. Maurya, Maurya. Okay? Maurya Kalakeyyastatha suraha. Okay? Kalaka daurhruta Maurya Kalakeyyastatha suraha.
Kalaka daurhruda maurya. Kalakeyyastatha-suraha.
Maurya.
You have to say it together.
When you say it, Visargam when it comes, you have to use either Kalaka daurhruda Maurya Kalakeyyastatha suraha. Ha varum. Abdi illata, you can use, when you are saying it as a complete line, you can use that sound, okay? Kalaka daurhruda Maurya Kalakeyyastatha suraha. But I have seen many people using Maurya.
Yeah.
That I have heard. There's nothing.
Take a pause, then you have to say
You have to say it as Maurya. Okay? Kalaka. See, both the things are correct. Kalakam daurhruda Maurya Kalakeyyastatha suraha.
Kalaka daurhruda maurya. Kalakeyyastatha-suraha. Kalaka daurhruda maurya. Kalakeyyastatha-suraha.
Yuddhaya sajja niryantu
Yuddhaya sajja niryantu. Yuddhaya sajja niryantu.
Anyaya tvarita mama.
Anyaya swarita mama. Anyaya swarita mama.
Yuddhaya sajja niryantu Anyaya tvarita mama.
Yuddhaya sajja niryantu. Anyaya tvarita mama. Yuddhaya sajja niryantu. Anyaya tvarita mama.
Kalaka daurhruda Maurya Kalakeyyastatha suraha. Yuddhaya sajja niryantu Anyaya tvarita mama.
Kalaka daurhruda maurya. Kalakeyyastatha-suraha. Yuddhaya sajja niryantu. Anyaya tvarita mama. Kalaka daurhruda maurya. Kalakeyyastatha-suraha. Yuddhaya sajja niryantu. Anyaya tvarita mama.
Now we will say the first 6, okay? Because this is about the different names of the clans that has come in this, okay? This up to this different clans with their names have come. He's ordering these clans to go and fight first. He also accompanies them, but first in the front, they only go in the front. He comes behind. Okay? Dhyanam. You start with Dhyanam. Dhyanam. Om Arunam Karunatarangitakshim Dhrutapashankushabhanachapahastam Animadibhiravrutam mayukairahamidhyeva vibhavaye bhavani. Om Rushiruvacha Chande cha nihate daitya munde cha vinipatite bahuleshu cha sainyeshu chaiteshvasureshvarah tatakopaparadhina cheta shumbah pratapavan udyogam sarva sainyanam daityanamādideshah adya sarva balairdhaitya shadashetirudhayudah kambunam chaturashitir niryantu svabalairvrutah koti viryani panchashadasuranam kulani vai shatam kulani dhaumranam nirgachantu mamagnya kalaka daurvrda mauryaha kalakeyastata yuddhaya sajja niryantu anyaya tvarita mama. Got it? Ityanyapya surapati idhi anyapya asurapatihi. Okay. Ityanyapya surapati Shumbho Bhairava Shasanah. So the Visargam has come. Use the Sandhi here. Okay. Ityanyapya surapati Shumbho Bhairava Shasanah. Bhairava Shasana. Last Nasana. Bhairava Shasana is the order, that Shasana is by order. Okay. Nirjagama Mahasainya. Sahasrair Bahubhirvratah. So the thousands of people are surrounding Ambika. Ambika is alone there, no? She's standing alone here. Thousands of warriors, they are asuras, are surrounding her from all directions. Nirjagama Mahasainya Sahasrair Bahubhirvratah. Ityanyapya surapati Shumbho Bhairava Shasanah. Nirjagama Mahasainya Sahasrair Bahubhirvratah.
Ityanyapya surapati Shumbho Bhairava Shasanah. Nirjagama Mahasainya Sahasrair Bahubhirvratah. Ityanyapya surapati Shumbho Bhairava Shasanah. Nirjagama Mahasainya Sahasrair Bahubhirvratah.
Ayantam Chandika Društva. Tatsainyam Matibhishanam.
Tatsainyam Matibhishanam. Tatsainyam Matibhishanam.
So now, after seeing so many people in front of her, Chandika wants to expand her army. Her army doesn't come from anywhere, from her and from the Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva and all. From them only the Shaktis emerge from there. So the entire army comes from them. So she also expands her army. Ayantam Chandika Drishtva Tatsainyamati Bhishanam.
Ayantam Chandika Drishtva Tatsainyamati Bhishanam. Ayantam Chandika Drishtva Tatsainyamati Bhishanam.
Jasvanaif Purayamasa.
Jasvanaif Purayamasa. Jasvanaif Purayamasa.
Dharani Gaganantaram.
Dharani Gaganantaram. Dharani Gaganantaram.
Jasvanaif Purayamasa. Dharani Gaganantaram.
Jasvanaif Purayamasa. Dharani Gaganantaram. Jasvanaif Purayamasa. Dharani Gaganantaram.
Ayantam Chandika Drishtva Tatsainyamati Bhishanam. Jasvanaif Purayamasa. Dharani Gaganantaram.
Ayantam Chandika Drishtva Tatsainyamati Bhishanam. Jasvanaif Purayamasa. Dharani Gaganantaram.
So she is occupying the entire area from Vishwarupa, like sky to earth to sky, Dharani Gaganantaram. So she has expanded herself so much, like, and then her sound actually drowns the sound of everything else. The sound that roars, the roar that the way she roars drowns all the other sounds, it seems. That is what. So her simham is also there, no? So it is also creating noise, and battlefield means it will be very noisy. All the noise got drowned because of her roar. Her anger grows, like, when she sees everybody surrounding her. Tatha simho mahanada.
Tatha simho mahanada.
Actually, mahanadham athiva krutavan nripa. Okay. So when you have to say it together as one line, you have to say Tata Simho Mahanadam Ativa Krutavan Nripa, like that, okay? So when I'm splitting and saying, I may say Nadham Ativa, okay? But when you have to say it together, it has to be Mathiva. Remember that. Tata Simho Mahanadam Ativa Krutavan Nripa.
Ativa Krutavan Nripa. Ativa Krutavan Nripa.
Tata Simho Mahanadam Ativa Krutavan Nripa.
Tata Simho Mahanadam Ativa Krutavan Nripa. Tata Simho Mahanadam Ativa Krutavan Nripa.
Gantasvanena Tannadam.
Gantasvanena Tannadam. Gantasvanena Tannadam.
Ambika Chopa Brumhayat.
Ambika Chopa Brumhayat. Ambika Chopa Brumhayat.
Gantasvanena Tannadam Ambika Chopa Brumhayat.
Gantasvanena Tannadam Ambika Chopa Brumhayat. Gantasvanena Tannadam Ambika Chopa Brumhayat.
Tata Simho Mahanadam Ativa Krutavan Nripa. Gantasvanena Tannadam Ambika Chopa Brumhayat.
Tata Simho Mahanadam Ativa Krutavan Nripa. अम्बिका चोपबृंहयत् ततः सिंहो महानादमतीव कृतवान् नृप घण्टास्वनेन तन्नादम् अम्बिका चोपबृंहयत्
धनुर्ज्या सिंह घण्टानां
धनुर्ज्या सिंहघण्टानां धनुर्ज्या सिंहघण्टानां
नादापूरितधिङ्मुखा
नादापूरितधिङ्मुखा नादापूरितधिङ्मुखा.
So this noise actually fills the entire
All
the
directions.
bow, the simham nadham and the ghantam and the bell. That is actually, it is overpowering. What happens? She opens her Vistharina jigva, and the way she roars, it drowns everything. Ninadhair bhishanair kali
निनादैर्भीषणैर्काली निनादैर्भीषणैर्काली
jigye vistaritanana
जिज्ञे विस्तारितानना जिज्ञे विस्तारितानना
Ninadair bhishanair gali jigye vistaritanana
निनादैर्भीषणैर्काली जिज्ञे विस्तारितानना निनादैर्भीषणैर्काली
No problem.
निनादैर्भीषणैर्काली
Kali.
निनादैर्भीषणैर्काली जिज्ञे विस्तारितानना निनादैर्भीषणैर्काली जिज्ञे विस्तारितानना
Dhanurjya simha ghantanam nadapooritadhingmukha ninadair bhishanair kali jigye vistaritanana.
धनुर्ज्या सिंहघण्टानां नादापूरितधिङ्मुखा निनादैर्भीषणैर्काली जिज्ञे विस्तारितानना धनुर्ज्या सिंहघण्टानां नादापूरितधिङ्मुखा निनादैर्भीषणैर्काली जिज्ञे विस्तारितानना.
We'll say this four. Ityāṅyāpyāsurabadishshumbho bhairavashāsanah nirjagama mahasainya sahasrairbahuvirvritah आयान्तं चण्डिका दृष्ट्वा तत्सैन्यमधिभीषणं ज्यास्वनैः पूरयामास धरणी गगनान्तरम् ततः सिंहो महानादमतीव कृतवान् नृप घण्टास्वनेन तन्नादमम्बिका चोपबृंहयत् धनुर्ज्या सिंहघण्टानां नादापूरितधिङ्मुखा निनादैर्भीषणैर्काली जिज्ञे विस्तारितानना तन्निनादमुपश्रुत्य
तन्निनादमुपश्रुत्य
दैत्यसैन्यैश्चतुर्दिशम् What happens when they heard her roar? Daitya Sainya got dispersed in all the four directions. That is what it is. So the moment they heard her roar, which actually was so loud, so they spread, they dispersed from there on all directions. Tam ninadamupashrudhya daitya sainyaischaturdisham.
दैत्यसैन्यैश्चतुर्दिशं तं निनादमुपश्रुत्य दैत्यसैन्यैश्चतुर्दिशं
देवी सिंहस्तथा काली
देवी सिंहस्तथा काली देवी सिंहस्तथा काली
सरोषैः परिवारिताः
सरोषैः परिवारिताः सरोषैः परिवारिताः
देवी सिंहस्तथा काली सरोषैः परिवारिताः
देवी सिंहस्तथा काली सरोषैः परिवारिताः देवी सिंहस्तथा काली सरोषैः परिवारिताः
तं निनादमुपश्रुत्य दैत्यसैन्यैश्चतुर्दिशं देवी सिंहस्तथा काली सरोषैः परिवारिताः
तं निनादमुपश्रुत्य दैत्यसैन्यैश्चतुर्दिशं देवी सिंहस्तथा काली सरोषैः परिवारिताः तं निनादमुपश्रुत्य दैत्यसैन्यैश्चतुर्दिशं देवी सिंहस्तथा काली सरोषैः परिवारिताः
एतस्मिन्नन्तरे भूप
एतस्मिन्नन्तरे भूप एतस्मिन्नन्तरे भूप
विनाशाय सुरद्विषाम्
विनाशाय सुरद्विषाम् विनाशाय सुरद्विषाम्
एतस्मिन्नन्तरे भूप विनाशाय सुरद्विषाम्
एतस्मिन्नन्तरे भूप विनाशाय सुरद्विषाम् एतस्मिन्नन्तरे भूप विनाशाय सुरद्विषाम्
So this only what her roar only told people, like, they gave a message, her roar gave a message that she is here to destroy all the demons. And bhavaya amarasimhanam ativirya balanvita. So her balam and everything is used for protection of the devas, killing the demons, killing the enemies of the devas and protecting the devas. एतस्मिन्नन्तरे भूप विनाशाय सुरद्विषाम्
एतस्मिन्नन्तरे भूप विनाशाय सुरद्विषाम् एतस्मिन्नन्तरे भूप विनाशाय सुरद्विषाम्
भवायामरसिंहानाम्
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 भवायामरसिंहानाम् भवायामरसिंहानाम्
अतिवीर्यबलान्विताः
अतिवीर्यबलान्विताः अतिवीर्यबलान्विताः
भवायामरसिंहानाम् अतिवीर्यबलान्विताः
भवायामरसिंहानाम् अतिवीर्यबलान्विताः भवायामरसिंहानाम् अतिवीर्यबलान्विताः
एतस्मिन्नन्तरे भूप विनाशाय सुरद्विषाम् भवायामरसिंहानाम् अतिवीर्यबलान्विताः
एतस्मिन्नन्तरे भूप विनाशाय सुरद्विषाम् भवायामरसिंहानाम् अतिवीर्यबलान्विताः एतस्मिन्नन्तरे भूप विनाशाय सुरद्विषाम् भवायामरसिंहानाम् अतिवीर्यबलान्विताः.
So now Shaktis are emerging from Brahma, Vishnu, Rudra, everybody. The Shaktis are emerging with the whatever like weapons and the Deham, that form that they got only in the feminine aspect. They are all feminine Shaktis, but in the form of whatever the weapons they are holding. Now Vishnu, if you take Shankha, Chakra, Gada, Shargam, everything she has got. Vaishnava Shakti has got. Ishvara you take, she has got Mala and all. Brahma is Mala and Kamandalu and all she has. Like all the Shaktis come as the counterpart of their male counterparts, but with the same, carrying the same weapons and form, excepting they are feminine aspect. That's all. They are similar. Both are similar.
But here Bhavaya, Narasimha.
இல்ல நரசிம்ஹ கிடையாது. பவாயாம் அமர means celestials. பவாயாம் அமர சிம்ஹநாதம் அதிவீரிய பலான்விதா. Simhanadam. She is seated on a simham, no? So she is seated on a simham and she is Athivirya Balam. She has got everything. So with that she is protecting the devas and destroying the demons. With her.
Here Bhavaya means what?
Bhavaya means protection. Bhavaya. Protecting. Bhavaya Amara means Amara means celestials. Celestials never die. Bhavaya Amara.
That's why I think she's getting Amara Simha means
Narasimha Jaisa. It sounds like Narasimha. It is not Narasimha. Okay? Bhavaya Amara. Bhavaya Amara.
The Simhas is
Bhavaya Amara. That is called Bhavaya Amara. Bhavaya Amara. So she is protecting the celestials. Amara means the one who never dies, no? Amara. Celestials never die. There's no death for the celestials. So Amara, they are only called Amara. They are ever living. That is why they are called Amara. So Bhavaya Amara means protect the deities, all the celestials. Simhanadam.
Simhanam. I think the lions among the celestials, the great among the celestials.
No. It is not like that. Simhanam Athivirya Balanvita. She is seated on the Simha.
Okay.
And Athivirya Balanvita. She is powerful and strong.
Okay.
Seated on the Simha. She is powerful and strong. She is killing the demons and protecting the devas.
It's her attribute. Simhanam is her attribute.
Simhanam. She is seated on Simha. Okay. Her attribute. So from the Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva and all the other things. Not only, see, here we have like Brahma, from Brahma emerges Brahmani. From Rudra, Vishnu, from Vishnu, 3 Shaktis are emerging. Vaishnava Shakti is emerging, and Varahi is emerging, and Nrsimhi is emerging. Nrsimha Shakti. So 3 Shaktis are emerging from. See what happens, Vishnu is the god of protection. His energy is drawn more to protect. Vishnu is the god of protection. He is there to sthiti. He takes care of sthiti, to protect the entire world. So from him 3 Shaktis emerges, whereas from others 1 Shakti. Kaumari, from Kaumari Kumara, from Murugan Kaumari emerges. Brahma 1 emerges. Raudri emerges from Shiva. So these 3 and the 3 from Vishnu. 6 Shaktis emerge. Okay. Brahmesha Guha Vishnunam. Indrani Shakti. Indra also there. Indrani also comes. 7. Saptamatrikas. Okay. Brahmesha Guha Vishnunam. Guha here is Murugan. Guhan. Kumaran. Kaumari Shakti. Brahmesha Guha Vishnunam. Tathendrasya cha shaktayah. Brahma, Isha, Guha, Vishnu and Indra. 5. Brahmesha, Brahma and Isha. Guha is Muruga. Vishnu is Vishnu. Indra, Tathendrasya Shaktayah. So from 5 people emerge 7 Shaktis. Brahmesha Guha Vishnunam Tathendrasya cha Shaktayah.
तदेन्द्रस्य च शक्तयः ब्रह्मेश गुहविष्णूनां तदेन्द्रस्य च शक्तयः
शरीरेभ्यो विनिष्क्रम्य
शरीरेभ्यो विनिष्क्रम्य
they just don't emerge, they spring out from them. This sprang, I like it. They just they don't quietly, they don't emerge. They with the force they come out. Sharirebhyo vinishkramya
शरीरेभ्यो विनिष्क्रम्य शरीरेभ्यो विनिष्क्रम्य
तद्रूपैश्चण्डिकां ययुः
तद्रूपैश्चण्डिकां ययुः
तद्रूपैश्चण्डिकां तद्रूपैश्चण्डिकाम्. Okay, see, they carry the same form as their male counterpart. They carry the same weapons, they carry the same form as their counterparts, and they all approach Chandika here. Tadrupaishchandikam yayuhu
तद्रूपैश्चण्डिकां ययुः तद्रूपैश्चण्डिकां ययुः
शरीरेभ्यो विनिष्क्रम्य तद्रूपैश्चण्डिकां ययुः
शरीरेभ्यो विनिष्क्रम्य तद्रूपैश्चण्डिकां ययुः शरीरेभ्यो विनिष्क्रम्य तद्रूपैश्चण्डिकां ययुः
ब्रह्मेश गुहविष्णूनां तथेन्द्रस्य च शक्तयः शरीरेभ्यो विनिष्क्रम्य तद्रूपैश्चण्डिकां ययुः
ब्रह्मैष गुहविष्णूनां तथेन्द्रस्य च शक्तयः शरीरेभ्यो विनिष्क्रम्य तद्रूपैश्चण्डिकां ययुः ब्रह्मेश गुहविष्णूनां तथेन्द्रस्य च शक्तयः शरीरेभ्यो विनिष्क्रम्य तद्रूपैश्चण्डिकां ययुः
यस्य देवस्य यद्रूपं
यस्य देवस्य यद्रूपं यस्य देवस्य यद्रूपं
यथा भूषणवाहनम्
यथा भूषणवाहनं यथा भूषणवाहनं
So their form, their jewelry, their vahanam, they come with everything.
Susajja.
So, yeah. Yasya devasya yadrupam yatha bhushana vahanam.
यस्य देवस्य यद्रूपं यथा भूषणवाहनं यस्य देवस्य यद्रूपं यथा भूषणवाहनं
तद्वदेव हि तत्सक्तिर्
तद्वदेव हि तद्वदेव हि तत्शक्तिर्
असुरान् योद्धुमाययौ
असुरान् योद्धुमाययौ
तद्वदेव हि तत्सक्तिरसुरान् योद्धुमाययौ
तद्वदेव हि तत्शक्तिरसुरान् योद्धुमाययौ
Repeat it slowly. तद्वदेव हि तत्शक्तिरसुरान् योद्धुमाययौ
तद्वदेव हि तत्शक्तिरसुरान् योद्धुमाययौ
Yodhu means to fight the battle against asuras. Yodhu. Iddhu. Idd is the third the, dhu is the fourth the. Yodhu. Yuddham. Okay? Tadvadeva hi tatshaktirasuran yoddhumayayau.
तद्वदेव हि तत्शक्तिरसुरान् योद्धुमाययौ तद्वदेव हि तत्शक्तिरसुरान् योद्धुमाययौ
यस्य देवस्य यद्रूपं यथा भूषणवाहनम् तद्वदेव हि तत्शक्तिरसुरान् योद्धुमाययौ
यस्य देवस्य यद्रूपं यथा भूषणवाहनं भूषणवाहनम् तद्वदेव हि तच्छक्तिरसुरान् योद्धुमाययौ यस्य देवस्य यद्रूपं यथा भूषणवाहनम् तद्वदेव हि तच्छक्तिरसुरान् योद्धुमाययौ
हंसयुक्त विमानाग्रे
हंसयुक्तविमानाग्रे
साक्ष्यसूत्रकमण्डलुः साक्ष्यसूत्रकमण्डलुः हंसयुक्त विमानाग्रे साक्ष्यसूत्रकमण्डलुः साक्ष्यसूत्रम is akshamala akshamala sa aksha sutra sutra means mala, it's a kind of a thing, thread.
Split you understand.
Sa aksha sutra. Okay. That is why I am sitting here, no? I am explaining this why. I am just splitting and telling you the meaning, because when you are, it is very easy to learn. When you know the meaning, it is easy to learn. Now you will not make a mistake of Saksha Sutra Kamandaluhu. Correct? Hamsa Yukta Viman, that she comes in the Vimanam, that Annapakshi, drawn by Annapakshi. So Hamsa Yukta Vimanagre. Okay. So Hamsa Yukta Vimanagre Saksha Sutra Kamandaluhu.
Hamsa Yukta Vimanagre Saksha Sutra Kamandaluhu. Hamsa Yukta Vimanagre Saksha Sutra Kamandaluhu.
Ayata Brahmana Shaktir.
Ayata Brahmana Shaktir. Ayata Brahmana Shaktir.
Brahmani Sabhidhiyate.
Brahmani Sabhidhiyate. Brahmani Sabhidhiyate.
Ayata Brahmana Shaktir Brahmani Sabhidhiyate.
Ayata Brahmana Shaktir Brahmani Sabhidhiyate. Ayata Brahmana Shaktir Brahmani Sabhidhiyate.
Hamsa Yukta Vimanagre Saksha Sutra Kamandaluhu. Ayata Brahmana Shaktir Brahmani Sabhidhiyate.
Hamsa Yukta Vimanagre Saksha Sutra Kamandaluhu. Ayata Brahmana Shaktir Brahmani Sabhidhiyate. Hamsa Yukta Vimanagre Saksha Sutra Kamandaluhu. Ayata Brahmana Shaktir Brahmani Sabhidhiyate.
Maheshwari Vrisharudha. So Maheshwari is coming on the Vrishabham. Okay. Maheshwari Vrisharudha.
Maheshwari Vrisharudha. Maheshwari Vrisharudha.
Trishula Varadharini. So she is holding Trishulam in her hand. And Mahahi Valaya means all snakes, armlets and everything. Shiva has got snake everywhere, no? So Mahahi Valaya Prapta.
Mahahi Valaya Prapta. Mahahi Valaya Prapta.
What is the name for Sarpam?
Mahahi Valaya. Valaya. They are all circled in her. Sharpam is Sharpam only. Here they have given the name, different name, Mahahi Valaya. So Sarpam everywhere for her, all the thing. Like how Shiva you've seen photo.
Valaya is coil, is it?
Coiled.
Yeah.
Valaya means it is coiled.
Coiled snake.
Coiled snake everywhere. Around her neck, around everything. Like how Shiva is. Just imagine Maheshwari is the same thing. That is why Chandra Rekha Vibhushana. She has got the crescent moon also in the head. Chandra Rekha. Okay. Mahahivalaya Prapta.
Mahahivalaya Prapta. Mahahivalaya Prapta.
Mahahivalaya means Mahanagam. Naham around her neck. Naham, no? That is what is around his neck, no? Chandra Rekha Vibhushana.
Chandra Rekha Vibhushana. Chandra Rekha Vibhushana.
Mahahivalaya Prapta Chandra Rekha Vibhushana.
Mahahivalaya Prapta Chandra Rekha Vibhushana. Mahahivalaya Prapta Chandra Rekha Vibhushana.
Maheshwari Vrusharudha Trishulavaradharini. Mahahivalaya Prapta Chandra Rekha Vibhushana.
Maheshwari Vrusharudha Trishulavaradharini. Mahahivalaya Prapta Chandra Rekha Vibhushana. Maheshwari Vrusharudha Trishulavaradharini. Mahahivalaya Prapta Chandra Rekha Vibhushana.
So we will say this page. Tam ninadamupashrutya daitya sainyaischaturdisham devi simhastata kali saroshaif parivaritaah etasminnantare bhupa vinashaya suradvisham bhavayamarasimhanam ativiryabalanvitaah ब्रह्मेश गुह विष्णूनां ततेन्द्रस्य च शक्तयः शरीरेभ्यो विनिष्क्रम्य तद्रूपैश्चण्डिकां ययुः यस्य देवस्य यद्रूपं यथा भूषणवाहनं तद्वदेव हि तत्शक्तिरसुरान् योद्धुमाययौ हंसयुक्त विमानाग्रे साक्ष्यसूत्रकमण्डलुः आयाता ब्रह्मणः शक्तिर्ब्रह्माणि साभिधीयते माहेश्वरी वृषारूढा त्रिशूलवरधारिणी महाहिवलया प्राप्ता चन्द्ररेखा विभूषणा. Got it? We will do up to 20 at least, okay? Kaumari Shakti Hastacha.
Kaumari Shakti Hastacha.
Shakti means the veil, the spear. That Murugan has got that veil, no? So she is also holding veil in her hand and coming in the Mayura Vahana. Mayura Vahana means on a peacock, okay? Kaumari Shakti Hastacha.
Kaumari Shakti Hastacha. Kaumari Shakti Hastacha.
Mayura Varavahana.
Mayura Varavahana. Mayura Varavahana.
Kaumari Shakti Hastacha. Mayura Varavahana.
Kaumari Shakti Hastacha. Mayura Varavahana. Kaumari Shakti Hastacha. Mayura Varavahana.
Yodhumabhyayayau Daityan.
Yodhumabhyayayau Daityan.
Yodhumabhyayayau Daityan. She comes with the intention to fight against the demons. Okay, in support of Chandika. Ambika Guharupini.
Ambika Guharupini. Ambika Guharupini.
Yodhumabhyayayau Daityan Ambika Guharupini.
Yodhumabhyayayau Daityan Ambika Guharupini. Yodhumabhyayayau Daityan Ambika Guharupini.
Kaumari Shakti Hastacha Mayura Varavahana Yodhumabhyayayau Daityan Ambika Guharupini.
Kaumari Shakti Hastacha Mayura Varavahana Yodhumabhyayayau Daityan Ambika Guharupini. Kaumari Shakti Hastacha Mayura Varavahana Yodhumabhyayayau Daityan Ambika Guharupini.
Tathaiva Vaishnavi Shaktir
Tathaiva Vaishnavi Shaktir Tathaiva Vaishnavi Shaktir
Garudo Parisamstita.
Garudo Parisamsita Garudo Parisamsita.
So Vaishnavi Shakti is coming on the Garuda. Vaishnavi Shakti.
Vaishnavi is not a name of a devi.
Vishnu's concept, Vishnu's Shakti.
Deviyoda peru Kaumari and
அந்த மாதிரி இதுதான் வைஷ்ணவி இஸ் விஷ்ணுவோட சக்தி இஸ் கால்டு வைஷ்ணவி. Vishnuvoda Shakti is called Vaishnavi. So many times we all get confused with Vaishnavi temple that we have. There also Mahalakshmi is in the center. All the three Shaktis are there. In the Pindi they have got, 3 Pindis they have got. So all the 3 Shaktis are there. Center like how we see it in Bombay. Mahalakshmi temple, when you go, we call it as Mahalakshmi, but Mahasaraswati, Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati, 3 are there. Chandika Mahalakshmi, they are called Chandika. Vaishnavi Shakti is the Vishnu's Shakti is emerged. Vishnu's Shakti has emerged as Vaishnavi. That is what it is. That is why they have taken the center stage, even in Vaishnavi temple. Vaishnavi temple, when you go to Kashmir, you see Vaishnavi temple, no? Vaishnavi Shakti is Vaishnavi. See, that is why there is no difference between Ambal and Vishnu. They are of the same thing, of gender is different. She is also, Vaishnavi is also Ambal only. Ambal and Vishnu are the same. They are not different. One is male, one is female. That's all. Only the gender is different. From the beginning, they have been saying, both of them only protect. Protection is given by them. Mainly, protection is given by them. They protect everything, everybody. Vishnu has taken so many avatarams to protect as a male. So Ambal has taken so many avatarams to protect as a female. That's all. The Brahman is the same. From them, sometimes they come as a male, sometimes they come as a female. When they come as a male, it is called Vishnu. When come as a female, it is called Ambal. That's all. That's the difference.
Is my understanding right if I say Mahalakshmi and from her Lakshmi is Sri Devi, Bhudevi?
See, Adi Mahalakshmi, Chandika Mahalakshmi with 18 hands is totally different from the Mahalakshmi and all is the emergence, whatever. That is what later when we can do the Murti Rahasyam, then you will understand it much better. Because Chandika Mahalakshmi is the prime Adi Shakti. From her emerges the 3. Saraswati, Lakshmi and Parvati. The 3 emerge from her.
From
Chandika Mahalakshmi. She is the Adi Shakti.
So it is not Parvati.
Adi Parashakti. We call it as Adi Parashakti.
Okay.
Parvati is the wife of Shiva.
Got it.
Shiva also, they also emerge from her only. Shiva Vishnu and Brahma Vishnu Shiva also emerge from her. She is alone there in the top.
In the Shakta, she is the...
Why we say in the Shakta, there is like, in everything when you... I think we will do that on Thursday. We will finish this 20 first. I'll explain to you on Thursday when I talk about this. How Brahman by itself is dormant.
Yeah.
No action. So somebody need to act, She is Shakti. That's all. She is Shakti. Okay, that is what Shaktam says. So you reach, because we are all in the action mode, we reach her. And when we reach her, we all become dormant and reach him. We don't
Okay.
we lose all actions. We become like inactive when we reach her. So you reach him. I'll explain on Thursday. Okay. Tathaiva Vaishnavi Shaktir
Tathaiva Vaishnavi Shaktir तथैव वैष्णवी शक्तिर्
गरुडोपरि संस्थिता
गरुडोपरि संस्थिता गरुडोपरि संस्थिता
तथैव वैष्णवी शक्तिर्गरुडोपरि संस्थिता
तथैव वैष्णवी शक्तिर्गरुडोपरि संस्थिता तथैव वैष्णवी शक्तिर्गरुडोपरि संस्थिता
शङ्खचक्रगदाशार्ङ्ग
शङ्खचक्रगदाशाङ्ग शङ्खचक्रगदाशाङ्ग
खड्गहस्ताभ्युपाययौ
खड्गहस्तायुपाययौ खड्गहस्तायुपाययौ
खड्गहस्ताभ्युपाययौ
खड्गहस्ताभ्युपाययौ खड्गहस्ताभ्युपाययौ
शङ्खचक्रगदाशार्ङ्ग खड्गहस्ताभ्युपाययौ
शङ्खचक्रगदाशाङ्ग खड्गहस्ताभ्युपाययौ शङ्खचक्रगदाशाङ्ग खड्गहस्ताभ्युपाययौ
तथैव वैष्णवी शक्तिर्गरुडोपरि संस्थिता शङ्खचक्रगदाशार्ङ्ग खड्गहस्ताभ्युपाययौ
तथैव वैष्णवी शक्तिर्गरुडोपरि संस्थिता शङ्खचक्रगदाशाङ्ग खड्गहस्ताभ्युपाययौ तथैव वैष्णवी शक्तिर्गरुडोपरि संस्थिता शङ्खचक्रगदाशाङ्ग खड्गहस्ताभ्युपाययौ
यज्ञवाराहमतुलम्
यज्ञवाराहमतुलम्
रूपं या बिभ्रतो हरेः
रूपं या बिभ्रतो हरेः रूपं या बिभ्रतो हरेः
यज्ञवाराहमतुलं रूपं या बिभ्रतो हरेः
यज्ञवाराहमतुलं रूपं या बिभ्रतो हरेः यज्ञवाराहमतुलं रूपं या बिभ्रतो हरेः
शक्तिः साप्याययौ तत्र
शक्तिः साप्याययौ तत्र शक्तिः साप्याययौ तत्र
तत्र not तौत्र शक्तिः साप्याययौ तत्र
शक्तिः साप्याययौ तत्र शक्तिः साप्याययौ तत्र
वाराहिं बिभ्रति तनुम्
वाराहिं बिभ्रति तनुम् वाराहिं बिभ्रति तनुम्
शक्तिः साप्याययौ तत्र वाराहिं बिभ्रति तनुम्
शक्तिः साप्याययौ तत्र वाराहिं बिभ्रति तनुम् शक्तिः साप्याययौ तत्र वाराहिं बिभ्रति तनुम्
यज्ञवाराहमतुलं रूपं या बिभ्रतो हरेः शक्तिः साप्याययौ तत्र वाराहिं बिभ्रति तनुम्
यज्ञवाराहमतुलं रूपं या बिभ्रतो हरेः शक्तिः साप्याययौ तत्र वाराहिं बिभ्रति तनुम् यज्ञवाराहमतुलं रूपं या बिभ्रतो हरेः शक्तिः साप्याययौ तत्र वाराहिं बिभ्रति तनुम्
नारसिंहे नृसिंहस्य
नारसिंही नृसिंहस्य नारसिंही नृसिंहस्य
बिभ्रति सदृशं वपुः
बिभ्रति सदृशं वपुः बिभ्रति सदृशं
So she is also Narasimhi also comes with the lion head and the woman body. So the same like how Narasimha is there, Narasimhi also comes like that. नारसिंही नृसिंहस्य बिभ्रति सदृशं वपुः
नारसिंही नृसिंहस्य बिभ्रति सदृशं वपुः नारसिंही नृसिंहस्य बिभ्रति सदृशं वपुः
प्राप्ता तत्र सठाक्षेप
प्राप्ता तत्र सटाक्षेप
प्राप्ता तत्र सटाक्षेप
क्षिप्त नक्षत्र संहतिः
क्षिप्त नक्षत्र संहतिः क्षिप्त नक्षत्र
So when it like moves its head, the mane also moves, no? The stars get scattered in the sky. So that is what. Prapta tatra satakshep kshipta nakshatra samhatihi.
प्राप्ता तत्र सटाक्षेप क्षिप्त नक्षत्र संहतिः प्राप्ता तत्र सटाक्षेप क्षिप्त नक्षत्र संहतिः
नारसिंही नृसिंहस्य बिभ्रति सदृशं वपुः प्राप्ता तत्र सटाक्षेप क्षिप्त नक्षत्र संहतिः नारसिंही नृसिंहस्य. Start from that. The two lines you have to say together.
That word is difficult.
Which word, ma?
Second.
Narasimhi nrusimhasya. Nrusimha. நம்ம நரசிம்ஹன்னு சொல்ல மாட்டோம். சம்ஸ்கிருதத்துல வரைச்சே நృసింహ. ரு வருது இல்லையா? நృసింహ. Narasimha is colloquial as well as in Tamil also we say is Narasimha. Narasimhar அப்படின்னா நம்ம தமிழ்ல சொல்றோம். Narasimha is there in Kannada also like that. Nrusimha is Sanskritam. Nrusimha. Nru வரமாட்டேங்குது. Nrunam. Nrusimhasya. Nru. नारसिंही नृसिंहस्य बिभ्रति सदृशं वपुः प्राप्ता तत्र सटाक्षेप क्षिप्त नक्षत्र संहतिः
नारसिंही नृसिंहस्य बिभ्रति सदृशं वपुः प्राप्ता तत्र सटाक्षेप क्षिप्त नक्षत्र संहतिः नारसिंही नृसिंहस्य बिभ्रति सदृशं वपुः प्राप्ता तत्र सटाक्षेप क्षिप्त नक्षत्र संहतिः.
You'll recite the entire one once, whatever we learned today, once. No, you have to say this four. Okay. Kaumari Shakti Hastacha Mayuravarvahana Yodumabhyayayau Daityanambika Guharupini Tataiva Vaishnavi Shaktir Garudo Parisamstita Shanka Chakra Gada Sharga Khadga Hastabhyupayayau Yanyavaraha Matulam Rupam Ya Bibhrato Harehe Shaktis Sapyayayau Tatra Varahim Bipratitanum Narasimhi Nrusimhasya Biprati Sadrusham Vapuh Prapta Tatra Sataksheva Kshipta Nakshatra Samhatihi. Okay, you will recite the entire thing once. So if you want to practice also, you can say it along with it. I'll say slowly, okay? Ashtamodhyayah Dhyanam Om Arunam Karunatarangitakshim Dhrutapashankushabhana Chapahastam Animadibhiravrutam Mayukairahamityeva Vibhavaye Bhavanim. Om Rushiruvacha Chande Chanihate Daitya मुण्डे च विनिपातिते बहुलेषु च सैन्येषु क्षयितेष्वसुरेश्वरः ततः कोपपराधीन चेताः शुम्भः प्रतापवान् उद्योगं सर्वसैन्यानां दैत्यानामादिदेशः अद्य सर्वबलैर्दैत्याः षडशीतिरुदायुधाः कम्बूणां चतुरशीतिर्निर्यान्तु स्वबलैर्वृताः कोटिवीर्याणि 50,000 कुलानि वै 100 कुलानि धौम्राणां निर्गच्छन्तु ममाज्ञया कालका दौर्वृता मौर्याः कालकेयास्तथासुराः युद्धाय सज्जा निर्यान्तु आज्ञया त्वरिता मम इत्याज्ञाप्यासुरपतिः शुम्भो भैरवशासनः निर्जगाम महासैन्य सहस्रैर्बहुभिर्वृतः आयान्तं चण्डिका दृष्ट्वा तत्सैन्यमतिभीषणम् ज्यास्वनैः पूरयामास धरणी गगनान्तरम् ततः सिंहो महानादमतीव कृतवान् नृप घण्टास्वनेन तन्नादमम्बिका चोपबृंहयत् धनुर्ज्या सिंहघण्टानां नादापूरितधिङ्मुखा निनादैर्भीषणैः काली जिज्ञे विस्तारितानना तं निनादमुपश्रुत्य दैत्यसैन्यैश्चतुर्दिशम् देवी सिंहस्तथा काली सरोषैः परिवारिताः एतस्मिन्नन्तरे भूप विनाशाय सुरद्विषाम् भवायामरसिंहानामतिवीर्यबलान्विताः ब्रह्मेश गुह विष्णूनां तथेन्द्रस्य च शक्तयः शरीरेभ्यो विनिष्क्रम्य तद्रूपैश्चण्डिकां ययुः यस्य देवस्य यद्रूपं यथा भूषणवाहनम् तद्वदेव हि तत्शक्तिरसुरान् योद्धुमाययौ हंसयुक्तविमानाग्रे साक्ष्यसूत्रकमण्डलुः आयाता ब्रह्मणः शक्तिर्ब्रह्माणि सा विधीयते माहेश्वरी वृषारूढा त्रिशूलवरधारिणी महाहिवलया प्राप्ता चन्द्ररेखा विभूषणा कौमारी शक्तिहस्ता च मयूरवरवाहना योद्धुमभ्याययौ दैत्यानम्बिका गुहरूपिणी तथैव वैष्णवी शक्तिर्गरुडोपरि संस्थिता शङ्खचक्रगदाशार्क खड्गहस्ताभ्युपाययौ यज्ञवाराहमतुलं रूपं या बिभ्रतो हरेः शक्तिः साप्याययौ तत्र वाराहिं बिप्रतीतनुम् नारसिंही नृसिंहस्य बिभ्रती सदृशं वपुः प्राप्ता तत्र सटाक्षेप क्षिप्तनक्षत्रसंहतिः संहति okay samhatihi correct okay we'll continue next week gurubhyo namaha